Hi, this is Wesley. I thought I'd make you a video. It's easier to explain it through video than try to write a long email. So this is a USB B, I believe. So it's flat, and you plug into the transmitter like this to charge it. Once you plug it in, you'll notice that the little red light comes on. That tells you the charge. I mean the battery is being charged. So it'll let it charge overnight, or depending on how depleted the battery is, and you would depending on how long that it would take. But typically, if you haven't used it for a long time, just let it charge overnight. When it's fully charged, the red light will go. The red light will turn off, like this. Okay, and when you're ready to use the transmitter, this is where I think. This is the where you're not doing it right. So just plug into your dongle, and you need to activate the transmitter by holding down the button. Your button may look a little bit different depending on which generation of transmitter that you have, but you see right now nothing's going on. But if you click the button and hold it, you'll notice that the blue light comes on. Once the blue light comes on, it tells you that the transmitter is working and it has been activated. So at this point, you can just plug into your iPhone 11, 12, doesn't matter. Then you're ready to use the transmitter. And typically, you can just set it at 87.9, but you may want to mess with it to see which one works best in your area. But 87.9 typically will work for 99% of the people. And it, depending on how this thing blink, it blink once, it tells you that it's 87.9, and you blink twice, it's the next one and the next one. So that's how you but all you have to do is just keep holding it until set your radio to 87.9, and just keep holding the button, because you'll jump from one to the next to the next. So once you hold the button and you hear your music through your radio, then you are set to go. Okay. Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo guy, and this is how you use it. So just make sure. I think the step that you're omitting is actually holding down the button here. Once you hold the button and the blue light comes on, you'll blink blue. That tells you that the transmitter is working. And you can turn it off by holding down the button again. Hold it for a few seconds, and the blue light will go off, and then the transmitter is off. Okay? Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.